Let's be clear. Objections aren't rejections. They're not the end of the call. They're the beginning of the negotiation. Welcome to Relentless Prospecting, Episode 17. Objection. Obliteration. Crushing the 5 most common sales objections. Because when someone tells you, "I'm not interested," what they're really saying is, "Convince me. Let's go." Objection number 1. I'm not interested. This is the most common one, and the most fake. They're not uninterested. They're just uncomfortable. Or they don't understand what you're offering yet. Come back with, "Totally fair. Most of the people I work with said the same thing before they realized what they were missing. Mind if I ask, is it the timing, the topic, or just a reflex?" Boom, disarms them and reopens the combo. Objection number 2, send me an email. Classic dodge. They're trying to brush you off. Don't fall for it. You respond, "Absolutely. Happy to send you something. Just so I don't waste your time with the wrong info, can I ask you 2 quick things first?" Now you're back in control. You've moved them from go away to fine, I'll engage. Objection number 3. We're already working with someone. Perfect. That means they see value in your category. You just have to prove you're better. Try this. That makes sense. Just out of curiosity, what's working really well for you right now with them? And is there anything you'd improve if you could? You're not attacking their vendor. You're identifying the gap and sliding into it. Objection number 4. We don't have the budget. This one scares new reps, but not you. Because you know budget is rarely the real issue. Value is. Say, "That's exactly why I'm reaching out. To save you money where it's being wasted. What would it take for something to be worth finding budget for?" You're reframing the convo from cost to investment. Objection number 5. Call me back in 6 months. Nope, not happening. If they push it that far, it usually means never. Here's your counter. Fair enough. But just so I don't miss the window, what's going to change between now and then that would make this a priority? Then follow it up with, "If I could show you something today that would make acting now worth it, would you be open to taking a look?" Pressure plus curiosity, a conversion. Bonus tactic, label plus redirect. When in doubt, use this formula, label the objection. Show empathy, redirect with a question. Example, "Totally get that this might not feel like a fit yet, and I appreciate you being straight with me. Before I go, can I ask you one thing?" Then hit them with a power question. What would have to be true for this to be worth 15 minutes of your time? You just flipped the frame, and now they're thinking. Your mission today, write your comeback lines for each of the 5 objections we covered. Practice them out loud, role play with a teammate, drill till it's instinct, because if you get caught off guard on the call, you're already bleeding. We don't bleed out here. We close. Coming up next in episode 18, persistence pays the follow-up formula that won't let prospects ghost you. Because the fortune's in the follow-up, but only if you follow up relentlessly. If this helped you sharpen your blade, like this video, hit subscribe, and comment obliterate if you're ready to turn objections into fuel. And one more thing. We proudly support entrepreneurs with disabilities. If you do too, visit www.enablecapitalpartners.com, because when one of us rises, we all rise. Now get back on the phone. Next time they say not interested, you'll smile and close anyway.